Clearing your search history on Redfin is a straightforward process that can help you maintain your privacy and refresh your search preferences. Follow these simple steps to clear your history. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Redfin website or app and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your saved searches and history. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access search history. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear your search history. Within the search history section, you should see an option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Log out optional. After clearing your search history, you may choose to log out of your account for added privacy. Simply click on the profile icon again and select the log out option. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Redfin. Keeping your preferences updated can enhance your browsing experience.